Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a really handy way to embed Google Sheets into your website or project, and here's the big bonus. You'll learn how to make your embedded sheet appear much bigger and more usable than the default tiny window. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to showcase your data the way you want, whether it's for a report, dashboard, or even a class project. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up the Google Sheet you like to embed. Once you're in, look towards the upper left of your screen and click on the File menu. This is where Google tucks away all the important sharing and publishing options. From there, scroll down and choose Share. Now, this is usually where you'd invite people or get a shareable link, but we're doing something a bit more powerful. So instead, in the menu that appears, look for the option that says Publish to Web. Go ahead and click it. Now, Publish to Web might sound a little intimidating, but don't worry. What this does is create a special version of your spreadsheet that anyone can view, no Google account required, perfect for embedding. When you see the dialog pop up, you'll probably have two options, Link and Embed. We want to go with Embed because we're after a code snippet that will work right inside a website. Click the Embed tab. Next, you'll see a big Publish button. Click it. It may give you a little warning just to double check that you really want to make this publicly viewable. Read that carefully and only continue if you're okay with that spreadsheet being visible to anyone with the link. For most embedded data, like event schedules or dashboards, that's exactly what we want. As soon as you publish, you'll get a box with something called an iframe embed code. Don't let that scare you off. It's just a simple line of HTML that tells a website, put this spreadsheet right here. Select and copy the entire code. It should look something like iframe src equals /iframe. Keep this handy, maybe on your clipboard or in a text file for a moment. Now we're done with Google Sheets and it's time to jump over to Google Sites. This is Google's website builder, and it makes putting together or editing a website super easy. Open your Google site and go to the page where you want your spreadsheet to appear. Look closely at the menu on the right side. You'll see an option called Embed. Go ahead and click that. It might give you a field for pasting directly or a spot to drag in your code. Here, the key part, and this is what makes your Google Sheet big and beautiful. Before you click Next or Insert, look carefully at your iframe code. Right after the word iframe, add this. Width equals quote 100% quote, height equals quote 750px quote, or like this. Width equals 100%, height equals 750px. What you're doing here is telling your website to expand the sheet to the full width of its container, while also giving it enough height to be really readable. Paste the embed code with your revised dimensions into the box and click Next. The site will give you a preview if everything looks right. You should see that nice, big version of your Google Sheet right in your page. That's it. And there you have it. Your Google Sheet is now embedded, perfectly sized for easy viewing right inside your Google site. If you get stuck or something looks off, don't worry, double check your code, especially those width and height settings. Sometimes just an extra space or missing quotation mark can throw things off, but a careful check usually solves it. If this was helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.